This video will take you through a comprehensive understanding of how to use the RHIKNOWBOT booklet text function. The video is in two parts: what booklet can do and detailed function explanation. What can booklet do? Text creation. Booklet can be used for composing design booklet with texts and hyperlinked images. Poster creation. Booklet can be used to design posters. Detailed explanation of booklet functions. How to use page defining tool. Open the prepared text page layout. Click the text button to define the text box. Click the image button to define the image box. Click the sheet button to define the paper box. Switch to the page mode. Double-click the image curve box to open the image editor. Click the Fit Image button to select and import an image. Scale the image size and move it as needed. Double-click the image curve box again to open the image editor. Click the Fit Frame button to select and import an image. The image will be fitted into the frame. Repeat the operation of importing images using Fit Frame. Complete the use of the image function. Double-click the text box curve to open the text editor interface. You can edit the text, font, alignment, size, and color. And check whether to bold or italicize the text. Click Confirm to confirm the adjustments. Adjust the text accordingly. After completing the text editing, click the Page button to define the page content. Save the file in the *.chhdt format. Open the prepared text page. Double-click to open the text editor and add the default text style. Click the Match Text Box button, select the source object. Then select the target object to assign attributes. Repeatedly use the Match Text Box function. Then change the text content. Complete the adjustment. Click Insert Image to insert an image within the curve box. There will be an image box when inserting an image. Select the image box frame to scale the size. Using the single-axis scaling function. Scale and move within the image box. Click Texturize Image and select the curve box to insert an image. The image will be scaled and moved according to the image box. The second usage of Texturize Image. Open the prepared curve box. Click Texturize Image and select multiple curve boxes to insert images. Generate the texturized image. Open the prepared model file. Select the object that needs to be sent to the back and click the To Bottom button. Complete the Send to Back operation. Select the object that needs to be brought to the front and click the On Top button. Complete the Bring to Front operation. Select the object that needs to be locked. Click the Lock button to apply. Now the object is in and selected. Click the Unlock button. Jump to the locked object space. Select the object that needs to be unlocked and press the Enter key. Complete the unlocking and return to the original text drawing space. How to use the Page Type tool. Click the Page 1 button to open the Page Settings window. Click the Load button to select and import a SHDT file. Complete the import of the Page 1 page type. Click the Load button to select the
Second *.chdt file to import. Complete the import of the page-to-page type. Click Confirm to confirm. The booklet interface will update the page types in real time. Click the Insert button to insert the page 1 page type. Colored background could be manually added as needed. Switch to the page-to-page type. Click the Insert button to insert the page-to-page type. Double-click to open the text editor. There are still the parameters of the text editor when there is a page. Click Confirm to confirm the use. For images, double-click the curve box and select the file to import. Repeat the operation to import the required images. How to use the Print tool. Click the Print button and select the object to be printed. Print according to the paper box range defined by using Sheet B4. Enter the file name and print the file. Complete the printing. Display the printed file. After completing the printing, make some adjustments to the object. Click the Print Last button. In this case, you do not need to select the printing object again. Print according to the format of the previous printing. Complete the printing of the previous step. The sizes of the prints remain the same.